And welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, you have to understand that natural gas is creating a pattern. Okay, two patterns are forming. First pattern is this U pattern is forming. So if the price sustain above a level of $3, okay, $3.050, a further upside movement we can see. Second, there is a opposite U pattern is forming. This opposite U pattern says that if the price started falling below a level of $2.5, chances are very high that it will move further down. Okay, understand this. Again I repeat, suppose if the price started falling below this particular level of 2.5, a further downfall we can see. Okay, because a pattern is forming at $2.5, but if started sustaining above $3, a further upside movement we can see towards an upside. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video to understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Look at this particular chart. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, chances are very high yes it will not sustain and it can go further down. Okay, so if you look at this particular trend, overall trend is downside if the price move below a level of 2.5. so suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it will move further low towards a level of $2.7069. okay, and started falling below that particular level, chances of going further down towards 2.6975 is there. Okay, and once the price started falling below that 2.6975, then a probability of going towards $2.6325 is there, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of $2.5425. okay, and if it started falling below that particular level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 2.5126, and from there a further fall we can see below a level of $2.4736. okay, as we can see there is a clear pattern forming and there is a trend you can see. So chances are very high it will fall below a level of 2.4807, and from there a level of $2.4123. okay, after it fall below a level of 2.5, a further downfall we can see, and chances will also be very high that it will started falling below a level of 2.4 to a level of 2.3706, and if it started going below that level, a level of 2.2418 is there. okay, and started falling below that particular level, a chance of touching 2.1538 is there. okay, and then to a level of around $2.0833. okay, this is the level. Now if the price started falling below that particular level, a chances of moving further fall we can see, and then it can touch a level of around 1.9326. if the price fall below a level of 2.196, chances are very high it will fall further low. okay, because there is a clear pattern forming, and chances of going further down we can see towards 2.2376 to a level of $2.156, and from there to a level of $2.578, and if started falling below that level, a further fall we can see. Now as you have to understand, market is uncertain. okay, if you are thinking that the market will move as per you, no, it will not. okay, so what you have to understand, how the price fall. If the price started falling below a level of 2.5, a further downfall we can see. But if suppose it form a swing and started going upside, because market is uncertain, okay, so always try to set your SL and always try to trail your SL. These two things you have to understand in order to sustain for a longer time. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will go towards a level of $2.8746, and started sustaining above that level, we will see it will go towards a level of $2.8956. okay, and once the price started sustaining above that level, a further upside we can see towards a level of $3.0274. okay, and from there a level of around $3.0561. this is the level we can see. okay, and once the price started sustaining above $3.056, a further upside we can see towards a level of 3.1364. okay, and if started moving above that particular level, a level of 3.3064 is there. We can see this level. okay, now if the price started moving above a level of 3.3064, a further upside movement we can see towards a level of 3.4305, and if it sustain above that particular level, we can see a level of $3.5793. Okay, so now if the price started sustaining again above a level of 2.76, we can see next it will do a level of 2.881, and from there a level of 2.9260. Keep that in mind. If the price started sustaining up 2.960, chances of going towards a level of 3.0503 will be there, and then there will be a zone breakout will happen, and there clear pattern forming. So chances of going towards 3.3 we can see, and from there a level of 3.5743, and started going off that level, we can see a level of $3.6538. Okay, now once the price started moving above that particular level, then there will be a zone breakout happen, and so probability of going towards a level of around 3.7 we can see, and then to a level of 3.9. After 3.7 to a level of 3.9, and then this gap can be filled, which is still remaining for so long, 4.1 to a level of 4.35. Okay, so any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.